Barack Obama, the inspirational orator, George Clooney, the effortless charmer, and Andrew Tate, the unapologetic influencer, are three different men that are very different in many ways, but more alike than you probably realize. These men's charisma is above and beyond. These are men millions of men wish to be like because with such charisma, the world can be conquered. Is it really possible to develop yourself to this level that you have the charisma to influence like any of these men? The answer is a bold yes. Based on the common factor of these charismatic juggernauts and many others like them, you can learn to bring out the buried power within you. But first, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. The number one catalyst is for you to show genuine interest in others. You cannot be charismatic and disconnected from the people you are relating to. Charismatic men possess an exceptional ability to make others feel heard, understood, and valued. Obama epitomizes this art of active listening, dedicating himself fully to each interaction. Even the highly volatile Andrew Tate is a good listener. Watch his interviews, and you will notice how he pays attention to what is being said. When engaging with individuals or speaking to a crowd, you need to demonstrate profound attentiveness. Maintain eye contact, nod in agreement, and respond with genuine interest. By doing so, you not only boost your own charisma, but also empower others, making them feel that their voices matter. This also makes your audience acknowledge your charisma. If they don't acknowledge your charisma, then all you did is a waste of time and effort. You cannot be a pretender. You have to truly listen. And this takes us to the next point. Number 2, use the power of authenticity. At the core of charismatic men lies an unwavering commitment to authenticity. They recognize that connecting with their audience requires them to be genuine, relatable, and vulnerable. Whether addressing a packed stadium or engaging in an intimate conversation, a charismatic man must bring his true self to the forefront, unafraid to share personal anecdotes, hopes, and dreams. By revealing his own vulnerabilities, he creates an environment where others feel comfortable doing the same, forging a bond built on trust and empathy. Don't fake it. Show people you're just like them. This is a secret of oratory masters who show they can feel the pains and fears of their audience. Number 3, it is not a laughing matter, literally. Seriousness, when harnessed correctly, acts as a catalyst for charisma. While being funny can make people more comfortable around you, it can also erode your charisma as a leader, especially when the people you are relating with have high expectations from you. When you show you are serious, you demonstrate your commitment, dedication, and depth of character. A serious-minded individual radiates an aura of competence, sincerity, and authenticity, which draws others in and commands respect. Jordan Peterson exemplifies this by consistently displaying a serious demeanor in his public appearances, speeches, and interviews. His focused and earnest approach has helped him captivate millions and establish a significant presence in the intellectual landscape. You can also use this demeanor to bring serious people under control. This is what charisma is all about. It is your ability to inspire others. When people know you mean business when you speak, they would respond accordingly. But if you show that you are always up for a joke, they would also take you as a joke. The only way people respect you, even when you are being funny, is because they know you can be dead serious too, and they don't want to get on your bad side. Number 4, never get into an argument. This is the number 1 cardinal sin that would hurt your charisma. Totally avoid it. It is never worthwhile. Getting into an argument is like getting into a mud pit with a pig. You cannot win, and yet you have all your dignity and credibility at stake. So what do you do when you find yourself in a situation where someone is aggressively trying to force his opinion down your throat? It's simple. Treat that person like a child and take control by first showing empathy. By showing empathy, you put yourself above that person because only the greater person shows empathy. You do this by paying attention to what the person has to say and showing genuine interest. If the person's talking too much, ask them to make it very brief because you have other things to do, but you really want to understand what they are saying. Tell them what they are saying is interesting to make them feel comfortable and let their guards down. Then ask questions that would expose the foolishness of what they are saying, and if they still don't realize their folly, firmly disagree and ask them if they know why they are wrong. That is always an unsettling statement that humbles even the most aggressive, argumentative person. Just ask if they know why they are wrong, and they are likely to ask you what you mean. At this chance, address the most important aspect of the issue and end the conversation. Make it clear that you do not argue if they want to continue. Always make it clear that you do not talk to people who do not listen. Number 5, stay calm. Don't let anything get your feathers ruffled. Be the calmest person in the room. People will gravitate towards you for stability because calmness shows you are in control and knows what you are doing. Even in a stressful situation, be calm but active. Do what you have to do without panicking. The key is to be conscious of how you inspire others. What energy are you giving out? Always stay positive, but always challenge people to be better too. Remember that being charismatic is a lifestyle, so never switch off your charismatic disposition. Always be inspirational. If you made it this far, then you need to subscribe now. See you next time.